Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about one of the most important concept in C programming is binary search in C programming. In the previous video, we are already discussed about what are the categories of functions in C programming, or what are the types of functions in C programming that can be explained with example. If anybody wants, please refer that video in my YouTube channel. Now we can go for binary search in C programming. Before going to the binary search, first of all, what is searching? Searching is the process of checking whether the key element is present in the given array or not. Okay. Suppose we are taking a given array with the array size is 7. That 7 elements should be there in ascending order. This is the must and should necessary condition before performing the binary search, whether the given elements are in ascending order or not. Okay, given array size is 7. The 7 elements in the array are 5, 8, 12, 15, 16, 28, 35. So these elements are already in ascending order. Hence, we have to perform binary search on these array elements. Next one, enter the key element you want to search. So what is the element you have to search from the given array elements? So that is 28. Okay, here 28 is present in the given array list. Hence we can say that search is successful. Okay, 28 is present in the given array elements. Hence we can say that search is successful. Now key element 28 present in the given array at which position? This is 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position, 5th position. So key element 28 is found at 5th position. Okay. Suppose key element is not found in the given array. Hence we can say that search is unsuccessful and key element is not found in the given array. Okay, after writing the program, I am explaining how this binary search can be done to find out the key element, whether it is present in the given array or not. Okay, now we have to write the program. First, we have to write the header files. Hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file. Next, second header file, hash include conio.h, console input output header file. Next one, void main. Every C program starts with the main function. Its data type is void. That means the main function does not return any value. Now, I am taking the array size of 50. Array name is A and size of the array is 50 and its data type is int. So that means we can say that it is an integer array. Comma, n comma, I comma, low, high, mid, key. So these are the variables I am declaring in this program. Okay, why we are taking these variables? Okay, when we are explaining the program, I will tell. Next one, CLR SCR. So this is the clear screen function. It clears the output screen. So this function is available in the header file called #include conio.h, console input output header file. So that we must include this header file to our program. Next one. So this is the available array size. Available array size is 50. So from the available array size, we can take only the required array size. So printf enter the required array size. Enter the required array size. /n double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. The required array size variable n is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand n. So where n is the required array size variable, that variable value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Next one, printf enter the array elements. Enter the array elements. For entering the array elements from the keyboard, we are using for loop and scanf function. So for I is equal to 0, semicolon, I less than n, semicolon, I plus plus. I is the loop variable. So scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of I. So array elements are read from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Okay, next one. So printf the entered array elements are whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard, that values are printed by using for loop and printf statement. For I is equal to 0, semicolon, I less than n, semicolon, I plus plus. Brace begin. So printf %d /t double quotes and a of I. So whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard, so that elements are printed. Next one. So printf enter the key element you want to search. Enter the key element you want to search. So /n double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon. Next one. So scanf %d double quotes and ampersand key. Whatever the key element you want to search from the given array, that key element is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Okay, now how we are reading the elements from the keyboard and how we are printing the elements from the how we are printing the elements that we are read from the keyboard. Okay, first we have to check. So here available array size is 50. Okay, from the available array size I am reading only the required array size from the keyboard. Okay, so printf enter the required array size. Okay, so /n double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon scanf %d ampersand n. So this n value is the required array size. That value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So in the output enter the required array size, that is 7. So n value is given 7 from the keyboard. Next one, printf enter the array elements are. Okay, enter the array elements. Okay, to read the elements from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Okay, first for I is equal to 0. Okay, so 0 less than n value I am taking required array size 7. 0 less than 7. Condition true. If the condition is true, the control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf %d ampersand a of 0. I value is 0 ampersand a of 0. A of 0 value is read from the keyboard. So what is the value that we are read from the keyboard? That is 5. Okay. So a of 0 contains, now a of 0 contains 5, element 5. Okay. Next one is I value is incremented. Now I value becomes 1. 1 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of I. Now I value is 1 ampersand a of 1. So a of 1 value is read from the keyboard. So that value is 8. So that means a of 1 is equal to 8. Next one, I value is incremented. Now I value 2. 2 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of 2. A of 2 value is read from the keyboard is 12. So a of 2 is equal to 12. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value is 3. 3 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. So scanf double quotes %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of I. What is the value of I? 3. A of 3. So a of 3 value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function, that is 15. So a of 3 is equal to 15. Next one, I value is incremented. Now I value is 4. 4 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of 4. So a of 4 value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function, that is 16. Therefore a of 4 is equal to 16. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value becomes 5. 5 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand a of I. I value is 5 ampersand a of 5. So a of 5 value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So that is a of 5 is equal to 28. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value is 6. 6 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Scanf double quotes percentage D double quotes and comma ampersand A of I value is 6. So that means ampersand A of 6. A of 6 value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Its value is 35. So that is A of 6 is equal to 35. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value becomes 7. Okay, so 7 less than 7. So condition false. So if the condition is false, the control goes to the next statement after the for loop. So for loop starts here and for loop ends here. So the program control goes to the statement after the for loop. So after the for loop, this is the statement is there. So printf the entered array elements are. Okay, this one is printed. The entered array elements are. So what are the elements that we are read from the keyboard? So 5, 8, 12, 15, 16, 28, 35. Okay, so these values are printed by using for loop and printf statement. So I is equal to 0, 0 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Printf percentage D slash D double quotes and A of 0. A of 0 value 5 is printed. After that slash D is there. Here slash D is nothing but we are printing the elements by using a tab space. Okay. In between the two elements tab space is there. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value 1, 1 less than 7. Condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. Printf percentage D slash D A of 1. A of 1 value 8 is printed. Next, I value is incremented. Now 2, 2 less than 7. Condition true. So A of 2 value is printed. That is 12. Next, I value incremented. I value is 3. 3 less than 7. Condition true. A of 3 value is printed. That is 15 is printed. Now I value incremented 4. 4 less than 7. Condition true. If the condition is true, the control goes to the body of the for loop. Now A of 4 value is printed. That is 16 is printed. Now I value incremented, that is 5 less than 7, condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. So A of 5 value is printed, that is 28. Next I value incremented, I value 6, 6 less than 7, condition true. The control goes to the body of the for loop. A of 6 value is printed, that is 35. Next, I value incremented, I value 7, 7 less than 7, condition false. The control goes to the next statement after the for loop. So this is the statement after the for loop. So printf, enter the key element you want to search. So whatever the key element you want to search, that key element is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf percentage D ampersand key. So key value that we are entered from the keyboard is 28. Okay. So now the key element 28 is present in the given array or not by using binary search technique. So before going to the binary search, okay, first you have to observe the array elements. The array elements always in ascending order. Now, initially low value is equal to 0, high value is equal to n minus 1. Okay. Next, while low less than or equal to high. Whenever low less than or equal to high, then we have to calculate mid value. So mid is equal to low plus high by 2. I am explaining everything. Low plus high by 2. Semicolon. If key value is greater than A of mid value, then we can say that low is equal to mid plus 1. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Semicolon, brace close. Else if key less than A of mid, then we can say that high is equal to mid minus 1. High is equal to mid minus 1. Semicolon. Next, else if key is equal to A of mid, then printf search is successful. Search is successful. Slash n, double quotes and parenthesis close, semicolon. Next, printf key element %d found at %d position. So first %d represents key value and second %d represents mid value. Then we have to close. After that, else, nothing printed. So printf nothing printed. So slash n, double quotes and parenthesis close, semicolon, else close and main close. Next one, if low value is greater than high, brace begin. So printf unsuccessful search, next printf key element %d not found in array. So slash n, double quotes and comma key. Okay, so this close. After that, get ch. Next, main close. So this is the program. Now we have to find out by using this logic whether key element 28 is found in the given array or not. Okay, we have to trace the logic also. First, low is equal to 0. Okay, here this is 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4th position, 5th position and 6th positions. So these are the indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the indexes. Okay. Here this is first element. 0th index can be taken as low. N minus 1. N minus 1 means, so 7 minus 1, that is a 6. 6th element can be taken as high. So array index starts with 0, ends with n minus 1. I am reading n value required array size value is 7. Okay, so 0 to n minus 1 means 7 minus 1, that is a 6. Okay, so high value can be taken as 7 minus 1, that is a 6. Low value can be taken as 0. 0 index can be taken as low. N minus 1 index can be taken as high. Okay, now while low less than or equal to high, so low value is 0, high value is 6. 0 less than or equal to 6. Low value is 0. High value is 6. I am taking only indexes, index values. Low value index is 0. High value index is 6. Okay. 0 less than or equal to 6. Condition true. If the condition is true, the control goes to the body of the while loop. In the body of the while loop, first we are calculating the mid value. So mid is equal to low plus high by 2. Low value is 0. High value is 6. 0 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So mid value is equal to 3. Okay. So we are after calculating this value, we are taking mid value is equal to 3. Okay. Next, if key greater than a of mid value, what is the key element? Key element is 28. 28 greater than a of mid. Mid value is 3. So that means a of 3. A of 3, what is the element? That is 15. So a of 3. So a of 3 is equal to 15. So 28 greater than 15. Okay. So mid value is 15. Our key element is compared with mid element. Our key element is compared with mid element. Okay. So key element is 28 and mid value is 15. 28 greater than 15. So condition true. If the condition is true, okay, the control goes to the body of the if block. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Okay. Initially low value is equal to 0. Now low value becomes low is equal to mid plus 1. What is the mid value? Mid value is 3. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now low value is equal to 4. Now low value is equal to 4 and high value is equal to 6. Okay, these are the new values. High value no change, only low value 4 I am taking. Okay, again we are checking. We are checking the condition at while loop. Okay, now low value becomes 4. Low value becomes 4. High value becomes 6. So low less than or equal to high. That means 4 less than or equal to 6. Okay. 4 less than or equal to 6, condition true. The control goes to the body of the while loop. Again we are calculating mid value. So here low value becomes this one. Low value becomes this one and ignoring the first half. Okay. First half means 0 to 3. This sub array can be ignored. After checking the condition, low value becomes 4. Okay. Whenever low value becomes 4, so this sub array can be ignored. Okay. Only we are considering this sub array 16, 25, 35. So this is a low value and this is a high value. Okay. Now 4 less than or equal to 6, condition true. If the condition is true, mid value we are calculating. So this index value is 4 and this index value 6. So mid is equal to, so 4 plus 6 by 2. Low plus high by 2. 4 plus 6 by 2, that is a 10 by 2. 10 by 2, that is equal to mid 5. So here now mid value becomes 5. Mid value becomes 5. Okay. After calculating the mid value, now we are checking the this condition. What is the key value? 28. A of mid value is 5. So A of 5 element is 28. A of 5. Okay. A of 5 element is 28. So 28 greater than 28. So this is false. Whenever this condition is false, then go to the else if block. So else if key value is 28 and A of mid value is 5. So A of 5 value is 28. 28 less than 28, condition false. Then go to the else if. Key value is 28, A of mid into A of 5. A of 5 value is 28. 28 equal to 28, condition true. If the condition is true, then the control goes to the corresponding else if block. Okay, so printf search is successful. Here search is successful, that is printed. Next one, printf key element %d is found at %d position. So key element is 28 is found at which position? Mid position. What is the mid position? That is the 5th position. So key element %d means 28 is found at which position? Mid position. So that is mid position is 5th position. Found at 5th position. Okay. Now after that statement, then break. By using the break statement, the program control can be transferred from the current while loop to the next statement after the while loop. After the while loop, what is the statement is there? While loop starts here and ends here. After the statement here, so while loop is here. Next statement after the while loop is this one. If low greater than high, what is the low value here? Low value is 4. High value is 6. High value is 6. 4 greater than 6. Condition false. Condition false. The control does not goes to the body of the if block. So the control goes to the next statement after the if block, that is get ch, and the program is terminated. So then search is successful. Key element is 28 is found at 5th position. Okay. Here we are taking, by using the mid value, the given array can be divided into 2 parts. Okay. The first part contains the 0 to mid minus 1. 0 to mid minus 1. The second part contains mid plus 1 to high. Okay. Now our key element is compared with the mid value. If the key element is less than mid value, we can go to the first sublist, first sub array. If the key value is greater than mid value, we can go to the right sub array. Okay. So by using the mid value, we have to divide the given array into 2 parts. So before the up to the mid, that is the first part, and after the mid, we can go to the second part. Okay. Key element is compared with the mid value. Okay. If the key element is greater than mid value, we are taking the right sub array by ignoring the left sub array. Suppose if the key value is compared with the mid value, key value is less than the mid value, we are considering the left sub array and ignoring the right sub array. Okay. So this can be done by taking the mid value. Key value is compared with the mid value. If key value is less than the mid value, we are considering the left sub array and by ignoring the right sub array. Key value is greater than the mid value, we are considering the right sub array and ignoring the left sub array. So this process is continuous until the key element is found in the given array. So when will the key element is found in the given array? By using this condition, key value equal to a of mid. Okay, so whenever this condition is satisfied, search is successful, key element is %d is found in the given array. Okay, how we are, this is the key value is greater than a of mid means this is the right sub array. We are considering the right sub array by ignoring the left sub array. Okay, suppose key value is less than the a of mid value, we are considering the left sub array by ignoring the right sub array. Okay, suppose key element is not present in the given array. Okay, this entire condition is false, only this condition is true, low greater than high. Okay, if this condition is true only when key element is not present in the given array. So then printf unsuccessful search, printf key element %d does not found in the given array. So this is the binary search program with the tracing with the example output. Okay, so what is the time complexity of binary search? So order of log n in average case and worst case, order of log n. Whenever the given array is divided into two sub arrays, generally log n is considered. In this case also, by taking the mid value, we are dividing the given array into two sub arrays, so that order of log n in average case and worst case. In the order of 1, if the key element is present at the mid value, in single comparison, we are searching our key element in the given array if the key element is present at the middle position. At that time, only one comparison is required, so the time complexity is order of 1. Okay, so this is the order of 1 is the best case, and average case and worst case. So the time complexity of binary search is order of log n. Okay, so this is the binary search program with the example and tracing and the time complexity. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So DIVVELA Srinivasa.